And you know how Texas is. If you get the 25 years, you're probably going to be doing a majority of that 25-year sentence. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
How old are you?
27.
You're 27. You've made your life more difficult than it needed to be. So, do you have children?
No, Your Honor.
That's a good thing, because you're not ready.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're diving into another intense courtroom session with Judge Boyd, where she's laying down the law like only she can. From a defendant with a Grim Reaper tattoo facing serious prison time to another facing deportation after a felony plea, this video is packed with raw moments and life-changing consequences. Judge Boyd doesn't hold back, dishing out tough advice and real talk about life choices. Stick around to see how these cases unfold, but trust.
The video opens with Judge Boyd laying out a harsh reality. If you get 25 years in Texas, you're probably doing most of it. The defendant, only 27 years old, listens quietly as the weight of that truth sinks in. The courtroom feels tense. This isn't just about punishment, it's a life lesson. Boyd's words cut deep. You've made your life more difficult than it needed to be. What do you think?
Trust me, you won't believe what happens next.
You're sitting on the front row. This is not Baptist church. Now, when you're at a church, they usually tell people who are trying to sit on the back row, come down to the front. This is not the church. So the only reason why you're on that front row is because, yes. Thank you so much for coming. Court is calling 2023 CR 7014, State of Texas versus Joseph Waylon Griffin. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Carl Bass for defendant, Your Honor.
Okay. And are you Mr. Griffin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
The defendant admits he has no children, and Judge Boyd tells him that's a good thing because you're not ready. It's firm but almost parental. She's not just sentencing him, she's teaching him. Then comes the real sting. Don't become institutionalized. The message is clear. If he keeps walking this road, prison won't be punishment anymore. It'll become home. Would you call this tough love or a wake-up call he desperately needed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Griffin, showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiting count two to proceed on count one with the enhancements.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Griffin, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge Boyd continues, warning him about fast money, the kind that disappears as quickly as it comes. Her words carry years of experience. Fast money is usually not good money. It runs through your fingers like water. You can see the young man nodding, maybe realizing how true that is. For a moment, this feels less like a courtroom and more like a mirror, showing him what his life could become if he doesn't change.
Did you understand you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction? If the state is able to prove the repeater count paragraph, it's been a Monday, then your range of punishment will be anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will find you guilty, and the court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true in State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, just ask the court to follow the plea bargains and negotiate.
Then comes one of those powerful moments only Judge Boyd can deliver. She looks right at him and says, "For your fast life, the only thing you have to show is prison time." The courtroom goes silent. It's not anger, it's disappointment. You can almost feel her hoping he'll finally understand what's at stake. Do you think he'll take her words to heart, or will this just be another stop in a repeating cycle?
With the state on this case.
All right. The court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Court is finding the enhancement true. The court will give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration JN 2126028. We're going to go off the record. I see your tattoo is of the Grim Reaper. Do you want the Grim Reaper to one day find you at the Bexar County Jail or somebody else's jail or at prison? Or would you rather be in the free world?
Rather be home with my family, Your Honor.
All right. So if you continue doing what you're doing, the next time you are out here in the free world and you do something of this nature,
The conversation
depending
lightens
on what
slightly
you-
when the judge notices his tattoos. She asks about the Grim Reaper and the laugh now, cry later mask. It's an almost humanizing exchange, even humorous for a second. But there's meaning underneath. Laugh now, cry later. Exactly what his choices have led to. The symbolism couldn't be more real. What do you think? Are tattoos like these a warning sign or just art with misunderstood meaning?
charged with, your minimum is going to be 25 years. And you know how Texas is. If you get the 25 years, you're probably going to be doing a majority of that 25-year sentence. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
How old are you?
27.
You're 27. You've made your life more difficult than it needed to be. So, do you have children?
No, Your Honor.
That's a good thing because you're not ready. But your parents, I'm assuming, are still here?
Yes.
I don't think they ever dreamed that their child would be going in and out of prison. Do not become institutionalized. Fast money is usually not good money. And I will tell you, the people that I've represented before and what I've seen in my time on the planet,
After wishing him good luck, Judge Boyd closes his case, 6 years in prison. The tone shifts quickly as the next defendant, Willen Galas Jimenez, steps forward. This time, there's a language barrier, and a Spanish interpreter joins the scene. The tension returns. It's not just about crime anymore. It's about culture, understanding, and consequences that reach beyond the courtroom.
when you make fast money and it's money that's not made in the correct way, that money just goes through your fingers like water. You don't even realize what you spent it on. You have nothing to show for it. So for your fast life and the fast money that you're trying to make, the only thing you have to show for it is prison time, jail time. Don't come back here for this nonsense. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you planning on getting more tattoos? Maybe. Oh, that's okay. So what's up with the face mask tattoo? That looks like from Maximum Overdrive.
This one?
Yes.
It's a laugh now, cry later.
Oh, laugh now, cry later. Well, but sometimes people laugh and cry at the same times. And then sometimes people are saying, you know, I got to laugh so I won't cry.
Yeah.
All right. But if you check Maximum Overdrive with Emilio Estevez, that looks like the face that was on the diesel. But good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. Court is calling. 2000.
Through the interpreter, Jimenez confirms he understands his plea, aggravated assault against a security officer, a first-degree felony. Judge Boyd carefully explains every detail, making sure nothing is lost in translation. When she asks, "Are you a U.S. citizen?" and he answers no, the reality of his fate hits everyone watching. This isn't just a sentence, it's a goodbye to the life he knew.
2023 CR 4823. State of Texas versus Willen Galas Jimenez. Could I have parties announce for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
The attorney record is Monica Guerrero. Joseph Stateson standing in for her. Ms. Guerrero had prepped him for a plea, and we explained that I was going to stand in to finish the plea. And Mr. Jimenez, would you give this judge permission for me to do the plea in place of Ms. Guerrero?
Yes. All right. And we do have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand. Do you?
His attorney confirms what's coming. After prison, Jimenez will be deported and barred from re-entry. He nods, accepting it. The judge's tone is respectful but firm. She ensures he understands every word. Then she delivers the sentence.
Solemnly swear affirm that you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God.
I do, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, and if you'll state your name for the record.
Arlene Abrams, license number 2081.
You're here so much, I'm gonna memorize your license number.
One of those numbers.
All right, Mr. Jimenez, all of the documents that I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes,
And did you understand all of the documents?
yes,
And counsel, it's my understanding that Ms. Guerrero does speak Spanish. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And does she speak it fluently?
She does.
And I know
Before ending, Judge Boyd gives one last warning. Do not come back unless you come back legally. It's both a legal statement and a life reminder. You can tell she doesn't take pleasure in sending him away, but she's protecting both sides of the law. Her words echo the courtroom. If you come back illegally, you'll face state and federal charges. What do you think? Should a person like Jimenez get another chance to rebuild his life, or are these consequences justified?
that you were here in court with Ms. Guerrero when she was going over the paperwork with Mr. Jimenez. Did she explain that paperwork to him in Spanish?
She did, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Jimenez, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney, and did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're proceeding on count one alone, waive the remaining counts.
Any objections to the waivers of counts, the remaining counts?
No, Your Honor.
As the cases close, we've seen two men, Joseph Griffin and Willen Jimenez, each facing life-changing outcomes. One gets 6 years and a lesson on self-destruction. The other gets 7 years and a one-way ticket out of the country. Judge Boyd doesn't just hand out sentences, she hands out truth. Final overview and call to action. Two stories, two different paths, but one clear message from Judge Boyd's courtroom. Your choices define your freedom. Whether it's chasing fast money or ignoring the law, every decision carries weight. So what do you think? Was Judge Boyd fair, or did she go too hard on these men? Drop your thoughts below. And if you love real courtroom moments filled with raw emotion and real consequences, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more dramatic sessions from Judge Boyd's courtroom.